See, one of the greatest reasons why we don't get the job we want in the company we want for the salary we want, or the reason we don't get the kind of profits we want, or maybe we are making losses in our business, is communication skills. One of the greatest reasons. Hi, this is Manu. Today I'm going to tell you something that's very important. Something that's going to change your life for the better. But before that, I'm going to give you a story. The story of Ferruccio Lamborghini, the chap who made the Lamborghini cars. Did you know that he started his business making tractors? Yeah. When he became rich, he bought a Ferrari car. It was a big name even in those days. But that car gave him lots of trouble. So he took the car to Enzo Ferrari, the maker of Ferrari. Enzo laughed at him and said, the problem's not with the car, but with the driver. Ferruccio Lamborghini was really insulted. And he decided to make his own cars, then and there. And the rest, as I say, is history. So why am I telling you this story? See, what Enzo told Ferruccio then holds true for each one of us today. Yeah. We are in charge of our lives. Okay? Our life is our vehicle. We are the driver. There's no point in blaming others. Now, something happened to me because of them or this or that. We have to be in charge, which we are not. The moment we realize this and understand this, our life is going to change for the better. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. See, one of the greatest reasons why we don't get the job we want in the company we want for the salary we want, or the reason we don't get the kind of profits we want, or maybe we are making losses in our business, is communication skills. One of the greatest reasons. Now, let's face it. Look at it from the job perspective. It holds the same for the business as well. See, in a job, you give your CV to the hiring manager. Now, he is interested in two things in the beginning. One, your domain, and second, your communication skills. Your domain as in the law is the domain of the lawyer, medicine is the domain of the doctor, etc. The thing that you get from the universities. You got that certified, no issues. Communication skills is the next. There was a study which said that around 90% of the people all around the world have poor communication skills. They suck at communications. As sad as it is. So can you imagine the frustration of the HR manager? He has to wait through 100 CVs to get his 10%. Just 10%. And if you fail in the communication skills, never mind how good you are in your domain, you don't get the job. It's quite simple as that. You don't get the job. You remain a humble tractor. And this is where TELW comes in to transform you from a humble tractor to the magnificent royal supercar, fit for the highway. A super communicator, that is. Let's tell you how we do it. We have moved our classes from the regular brick and mortar classroom to the online classroom. Now, is there a difference between online classes and the brick and mortar regular classes? Let's analyze. See, in the brick and mortar classes, let's call it the regular classes, right? In the regular classes, what do? We do pair work, group work, debates, discussions, presentations, negotiations. Yes, we do negotiations there as well. Then we have role plays and simulations, everything that'll help you practice the language in all the situations that you will face outside. And we do the exact same thing here online. So is there a difference? No, there isn't. Is it effective? Equally effective. More so, I will say, simply because you are getting all this in the comfort of your home. So you don't have to travel all the way to the class and get tired, travel back, get more tired, and so I don't really have the energy left to follow up. You don't have that yet. You are in your bedroom if you want. All you need is a good microphone, a good speaker, a good camera, and a good internet. 4 things. And you're good to go. And you have them because you're watching my video. And we train you in general English communication skills and specific business communication skills like presentation, negotiation, email writing, report writing, business writing, etc. Telephoning skills, interview skills, job interviews, and so on. Quite a few other modules as well. Apart from this, there is something that people call the personality development skills, like assertiveness and time management, etc. Now, for my students, these things are built into the program, into the course. So they really don't have to do the assertiveness skills separately, the time management skills separately, and so on. But if you want them separately, hey, we have it. Now, what should you do? The first thing you got to do is to actually come and attend my online classes. Without that, everything else is useless. Now, I can never guarantee your results, but I can tell you this much. If you don't take this first step, you won't get anywhere. In other words, do nothing, get nothing. You're exactly where you are. Change the way of doing things. I've helped thousands of students drastically change their communication skills and therefore their careers for the better. And I'd like you to be the next person to take the full benefit of this program. When you join my class, you can expect me to put in my 100%. And if you want the best out of my class, I suggest you put in your 100% as well. Change your career. Take charge of your life. Are you ready to change your career, to change your life? Sign up for an online class. I hope to see you very, very soon in my online classes. Bye-bye.